Are you wondering if you can do ghost pedaling on the new Duotts C29 Lite? So yep, I have some absolutely great news. Not only the pedal assistant itself actually is superb on this bike and actually significantly better than on the original C29, which I also have. So yeah, pedal assistant definitely is actually much better on this one and much smoother. But yeah, also we can even do ghost pedaling on it as well. So if you are wondering what ghost pedaling even means on an e-bike, so that means essentially, if you are very lazy and you simply do not want to exert much basically effort, you can simply act as you are pedaling and your bike will still actually go at full speed. So you can essentially trick it, yeah, basically, and basically simply spin up the pedals very slowly at a low gear, and the bike still will actually go basically at pretty much full speed. So, and if you want to do it, so first what you have to do is you simply have to place your gear in maybe number 1 or number 2, so something low where you will basically have like very low effort for the pedaling. And also obviously make sure to actually turn on your pedal assistant. So I suggest, if you want the best effect, really level 3 essentially. Also what I find absolutely great on this bike, so it doesn't really matter at what kind of speed you actually pedal. So there is a minimum speed, but you can actually pedal, so let me turn it off first. So yeah, you can even pedal at this kind of speed really. So you see, make slow, and it will actually still like keep you going forward. But again, you actually need to keep a constant motion. So you see, you simply basically, yeah, at this pace essentially you can do it, and the bike will still actually go, which is absolutely awesome. So yeah, that's really the beauty of these cadence and speed based sensors, that yeah, you can simply put it in very low gear and simply act as you're pedaling. So yeah, when you actually put that gear maybe number 2 or 1, again there's pretty much like zero resistance on the pedal, and you aren't really putting in any effort whatsoever, but the bike still actually will go forward at high speed. So yeah, absolutely awesome. And yeah, overall the new Duotts C29 Lite definitely is actually very awesome bike. Not only it looks absolutely awesome, also the pedal assistant is actually super good. We have integrated lights like racks that comes with it as well. Also the shape and form also is actually very decent, and yeah, also like the power delivery actually is very smooth on this bike. So again, even if throttle is not loud in your country, you can definitely still basically use it in the ghost pedaling mode, and still, yeah, you do not have to actually put in much effort yourself if you do not want that. Also, yeah, if you want to get it, in the description I'll leave a discount link that you can use and get it much cheaper. Also, I have extra €50 coupon that you can use on the Duotts official website to bring extra €50 down in the price. So make sure to use this and simply check out the description. So overall, for this price, this is totally unbeatable. Okay, good luck.